Hello everyone, Ed Knudsen here. I'm going to show you my project for the web server class. First off, I'll describe what the project is. As a DJ, I've spent some time as a DJ, and in the past I've been able to come up with ideas for songs to listen to in the future and possibly download. And sometimes I'll forget what someone will have suggested to me as a song, unless I write it down really quickly. And then I've got all these sheets of paper with songs written down, or I've got this file that's unorganized and I can't organize it, or something along those lines. And I wanted a nice simple place I can go to take notes on some songs that I should check out, recommendations from other people, or songs that I've heard in various places. And the nice thing about it being a website is that I would be able to even go to it on my phone to add songs to my database. And then later on I could go home, pull up my database, go through it, and look through all the songs, and then add them to my DJ library, and then I can play those songs out next time I go and DJ. So first up, I set up my DNS. I set up eddj.com as my website. In IIS, I've got DJ for my website here. My database, I made all the fields. I've got my DJ table here. I actually even set up the DSN for DJ, so I could use the DSN scripts from the homework. In here you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 fields here. I've got song, which is a song title. Artist, that would be the name of the artist that made the song. I've got album title here. A rating, so I'll rate the song from 1 to 10, and that means if I don't have enough time when I go back to check out my songs, I can just pick maybe all the 10s or all the 9s and just grab the really good songs, and then later on I can go back and maybe check out the lower ratings, and maybe there's something that would also be worthy of being part of my DJ library. Genre, so I can keep things straight on what genre goes with what other songs. Discovered is a field that I put in. I made it max because I wanted to be able to describe where I discovered the song, and I don't want to be limited on how long of a story I could write up about where I found the song. So that's my database. Now my screen and report scripts. Let's not save that. Okay, let's just minimize that. Alright, so first up we've got my form. Maybe the main form for the website. We've got just a little body here, just really basic, and then input song, artist, album, rating, genre, and where it was discovered, and then it's gonna use insert_action.asp to process that, which I also have up down here. So here's my insert action script. It's using the AODB connection, database DJ here. It's inserting the values for song, artist, album, rating, genre, and discovered, and it's closing the connection, and then it displays that the entry was added to the DJ song list. And then lastly is my report script. That's where I actually did a little bit of tweaking. I added a border around my report script, and also these entries here in my report script had been table row or table data, and they should be table header, and that adds bold to each of the entries for a table header. So it's got all these entries, all the basic fields, and then it pulls up the table data for each of the rows in the database. So I'll show you a demonstration of the website. I'll type in the name of a song here. We've got electro house song here, Alpha Centauri. That is by Noisia. It's from the album Alpha Centauri. And that song, I'll give that a rating of 8. It's a pretty good song. Genre, I'll say that is it's somewhere in electro house. And that was discovered from turntable.fm, which is a social, it's like a forum for music. You can play songs for other people to hear. It's pretty fun. So I'll submit that. It's added to the DJ song list. Now I can go over here and we can look at our report. These are some entries I made earlier, and if we refresh this report here, you can see that it added Alpha Centauri to the list. You can see up here, that's the bold that I added to the table headers, and then I've got this one border right here, a border of 1, and that's my website. And as long as my phone had this DNS server set as one of its DNS servers, or if I actually bought a domain for this website, I could go to it on my phone. I'd probably add some sort of security so people couldn't mess with my database, but it would be pretty neat. Then all my songs and all my notes for songs are backed up in a centralized place. So it could be actually very, very helpful in the future to a DJ to implement something like this. Thank you. I hope you guys have a great break, and it was great having class with you.